Hi everyone, welcome back to the Function Junction, where we make math simple and easy to understand. Today we'll be going over how to solve linear equations when there's variables on both sides. Up until now, we've solved equations where the variable shows up just on one side. But sometimes the x sneaks onto both sides of the equal sign. Don't worry, the process is almost the same. By the end of this video, you'll know how to solve these equations step by step, avoid common mistakes, and even handle special cases that can trip people up. Let's warm up with something familiar. To solve this one-step equation, we subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves us with x equals 7. Easy enough, right? But now let's make it more interesting. 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. Now we have x terms on both sides of the equal sign. Don't panic, the goal is still the same. Isolate x. The main idea when we have an equation where there's variables on both sides is to get the variables on one side of the equal sign and the numbers on the other. First step is to move all variables to one side. Remember from our previous video, whatever you do to one side, you must do the same to the other side. Since there's a 2x on the left and just x on the right, we'll subtract x from both sides. Now that leaves us with x plus 3 equals 7. Next, we will move numbers to the other side. We subtract 3 from both sides, leaving us with x equals 4. It's important to always check your answer. If we plug 4 into the original equation, 2 times 4 plus 3 equals 11. On the right, 4 plus 7 also equals 11. Both sides match, so x equals 4 is correct. Let's try another example. 4x minus 5 equals 2x plus 1. Step 1 will be to move variables to one side. We will subtract 2x from both sides, which will bring it from the right-hand side to the left-hand side of the equation. That leaves us with 2x minus 5 equals 1. The second step will be to move the numbers. To move all the numbers on the right-hand side of the equation, we will add 5 to both sides. That leaves 2x equals 6. Our last step is to untie x from 2, so we will divide both sides by 2. That leaves us with the final answer of x equals to 3. Now that we have our answer, we can check to see if we are right. We're going to substitute 3 back into the original equation. We get 4 times 3 minus 5 equals 7. On the right-hand side, 2 times 3 plus 1 also equals 7. Once again, we are correct. Now let's talk about common mistakes students make with these problems. One example of a common mistake is some students try to move the numbers first. If you subtract 3 right away, the equation gets messy. It's always cleaner to move the variables first. Another common mistake is combining variables incorrectly. For example, 2x minus x equals x, not 2. Always be careful with subtraction. Now let's talk about some special cases. Sometimes equations with variables on both sides don't have a single solution. If we look at 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3, if we subtract 2x from both sides, we're left with 3 equals 3. That's always true. In this case, there are infinitely many solutions. Any value of x works. Another case is if we have 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. If we subtract 2x again, and we're left with 3 equals 7, that's never true. In this case, there is no solution. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to solve linear equations when there's variables on both sides. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to check out our other videos to continue your function junction journey. See you next time.